How to fix Reddit down error. To fix Reddit down or server error, you want to first of all check the Reddit official status page. You want to type in Reddit down detector on the web address bar and go to the link, and that should be able to help you out to detect whether there is any sort of issue with the Reddit or not. Next, you also want to make sure to refresh or restart your device. Hold on and close all the background running app and make sure to hold on to your side button and restart your device as well. Now that you've done this, what next you also want to do is you could also try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data. Open up settings, go to network and internet, and here you want to go to internet section, and you could simply go ahead and refresh or restart, maybe reconnect to a different network. That should be able to help. However, while you're on the same page, you also want to go to app section, locate Reddit, and make sure to clear cache as well as data. By going to storage and cache, that should also be able to fix Reddit down detector. So this way you should be able to fix Reddit's down detector or down error. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.